If you could be any Star Trek race, what would you be and why?
Okay, that is a very, very difficult question. I would go for Romulans. Oh,
Who
okay.
is your favorite Star Trek character?
My favorite character would have to be Captain Catherine Janeway.
What season of Star Trek is your favorite?
My favorite season in Star Trek would have to be Star Trek Deep Space Nine.
Oh,
And perhaps I would go with season 4.
if you could only eat one meal for the rest of your life, what would it be?
I would have to say pizza.
If you could live anywhere, where would it
Okay.
be?
I would say Switzerland, I guess.
What did you want to be when you were small?
I would say a chef.